Okay, everybody, before we get into this video, who has been doing the HOP? The Save Money with Savings and Budgeting community. I did my day on Thursday, but coming up on Sunday is My Girl Budgeting, and Tuesday, which will be March 26th, is Mary, my friend Mary, at Mary Love Country Living. So make sure that if you haven't seen the HOP, you go check out these two ladies and get on board with us. Now, let's get back to the regularly scheduled video. Hey everybody, welcome back to my modern homestead. If you are new here, my name is Janet and I want to welcome you and tell you I'm so happy you're here. And if you are one of my returning visitors and friends and subs, well, welcome back. I'm so happy y'all came back. Y'all, look what I got. I got Happy Mail. I hardly ever get Happy Mail, and if I get Happy Mail, it's usually from my sweet friend Mary at Mary Love Country Living. And y'all, let me just tell you the story behind this one really quick before we open it. And in fact, I will start opening it as I tell you. Mary sent this over a month ago, y'all. It got within an hour and a half of my house. They turned that package around and sent it all the way back to Atlanta. I'm nowhere near Atlanta. And it bounced between distribution centers there in Atlanta. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And poor Mary, y'all. She did this right when they found out about her father-in-law's sick cancer, or right after, I can't remember. But y'all, bless her soul. She not really fought, but was back and forth with the post office the whole time her father-in-law was sick and beyond. I got a call yesterday afternoon as I was walking out the door that my package was there on the shelf. Y'all, they had already told Mary just to file a report and to claim an insurance on it and da-da-da. We had both just given up on this package ever getting here, but it got here. We were both so shocked. I cannot wait to open this. I got one more thing in the mail yesterday that I also want to show you. Well, Mary, I got a bag. I'm not worried about these addresses because they're both on our YouTube pages. Oh, look. Uh-oh, Mary, it looks like the cutter came off, but look, y'all. Oh, my goodness. Oh, there's laminating pages, and yeah, Mary, we can tell it went through the ringer. There's cardboard particles all over it, but I think we can get those off. No big deal. So that's all that's in there. She tried to package that where it wouldn't get damaged. And Mary, I'm not sure. Oh, I have needed this so many times since she told me it was coming. I think we can just pop these. Yep, they just pop right. Ooh, gracious. Cut myself. Just pop these right back on here. This is a paper cutter. And she held on to this for a long time because she wanted to find one that was like the one she's got. This is her old paper cutter. And she gave up on finding one. You know how it goes. Right after she mailed it, ow! I needed my finger. It pinched me. She found the one she was wanting to send me originally. But I said, this one is just fine. I can use this one. I have needed it so much to cut some of my games. So Mary, it got here, and as far as I can tell, nothing's wrong with it. And these are my laminating pouches. One of those got damaged, but we can probably still use it. Just be careful on that bottom part and get all this cardboard off of it. I'm going to take them in the other room. But look at this, y'all. Does this binder not scream me? she didn't use this binder anymore, and she just asked if I wanted it and could use it, and I said, well, yeah, of course. Look how pretty. And this is the is it A5 size, and it's even got a couple of the envelopes in it. Yay! Look, even the middle of it's got the flower print. Y'all, I bounce. I either love florals or I love animal print. Those are my two loves. And this is the Agenda 52. Excuse me, I've got a frog in my throat. Mary, thank you so much. Mary is my YouTube bestie. There's hardly a day that goes by that we don't talk to each other, and she's such a sweetheart. If y'all don't know her, please go visit her channel, Mary Loved Country Living. But this is something else I got in the mail. I ordered it from Amazon. If you watched one of my last few videos, you saw the Easter game. And I bought little, or I didn't go out looking for them, but some little peeps and bunnies found me, and I used those for my game. And I wanted to show you this. I got these little game pieces. They're not called game pieces. They're called miniature Christmas ornaments or decorations. What do they call them? Decorations. And there's a snowman and a candlestick and a gift, or several gifts. I even saw a bow in here. A little Christmas tree. And so excited. Look at Santa. Oh my goodness. You'll see why I'm so excited in just a second. I promise. Hold on. But look, a little Santa bag. Oh my goodness. So cute. And there are some other things in here. There are bells, a couple more snowmen, and that's basically it. Hold on just a minute and let me show you the other part. Okay, I found it. I couldn't remember where I put it. I put it up in a safe place. I need a drum roll, drum roll. Blah, blah, blah. Why did I need these pieces? Because look, I created another game. This is Santa Cruz. Oh my goodness. And this game was inspired partly by my Easter game that I made and partly by a cruise that we are going on very soon. And here is the envelope that goes with it. It has Santa Cruz and My Modern Homestead, Mary Savings on the back. Oh my goodness. And I just happened, I can't decide. I need somebody to play with me so we can use the bag and the Santa, because I don't know which one to use. I want to use both. But look, y'all, these are my little markers for the game. So I thought we would play this game one time through to see how it's going to work. You want to? Hold on. Okay, now we're not really going to play the game. I'm not ready to fully bring it out. You'll see why in a few months. But I just wanted to introduce the game and show it to you. But there's one thing on here. It's called Grinch Vibes. And you can't play this game without the Grinch Vibe cards. So if we land on one of those, you'll get to see what that's all about. What I'm going to do is just keep a track of what I would say if we were actually playing this game. So we're going to start down here on the cruise ship. Let's roll our die, and we're going to move 2. 1, 2. Right off the bat, Grinch Vibes. Have mercy. The Grinch used Santa's card for room service. Pay 2. Ugh, that old Grinch. Seriously. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm in the hole minus $2. 2 again. 1, 2. I'm on a candy cane heart. And when you land on a candy cane heart, of course, you can do this any amount you want, but I'm just going to call it $1. So we're just in the hole $1 now. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another candy cane heart. Excellent. So I'm back to 0. Hi, Santa. 3. 1, 2, 3. Another candy cane heart. So now we're up $1. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Today is the day of candy cane hearts, y'all. It must be a sweet day. But I really needed to land on, will we do it here? No. 1, 2, 3. Hold on, I'll tell you just a minute. So another dollar, that's $3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are at the North Pole. We got Santa back to the North Pole. We got him off of his cruise. Okay, so let me tell you, because we didn't land on him. So if I was actually paying this game, I would just pay $3. Or whatever amount you decide to play yours at. So on this game, there are pictures of Santa doing different activities, and we are calling these his shore excursions. Oh my goodness. Shore excursions, because when you go on a cruise, when you stop at ports, you can go on shore excursions, and they cost more than what the actual cruise cost. So for each of his activities, we would put in $5 savings, just like we did for the candy canes. And as you saw, if you land on a Grinch vibe card, you read what that old Grinch did, and you take that amount of money out. That's why I used the sheet instead of using real money, and that's the way I'll play it when we get to it. But y'all, I just wanted to show you this game really quick, because we're going to bring him out in a few months and play this all the time, and we will use this in our Christmas savings each week that I do. I'm so excited. I couldn't believe I came up with this game, and I hope y'all like it, and I hope y'all want to play it along with me. So there we go. So I think that's all I had to show you today. I hope you enjoyed our mail haul and game introduction, and I thank you so much for coming to visit. You know I love it when you come and see me for a few minutes. So until we meet again, may you be blessed. Love you guys. Bye-bye.